What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to do a quick sweet little review on something that everybody has always told me that they wanted me to do a review on. So let's get into it. You see the box, you guys know what it is. We're gonna be doing a review on this bad boy. See if we can focus in on that. It's my Cartier Juste Clou yellow gold ring. Everybody always DMs me about this guy and this guy right here, the Panther, one of the Panther rings. It's called the Massai ring. But I'm gonna do this video solely on this Juste Clou ring that I have that I always wear. So basically when you purchase the ring, it comes in this box, in this small little red Cartier box. So when you open it, it's like just a standard little red box. You can hit this, it opens up. So the ring would normally come in the box like that, as such. So recently, last year they did the new Juste Clou ring, which is not this one. This is like the classic style, which is thicker. I know a lot of you guys always ask me which one I have. I have the thicker version. I don't have the smaller, thin version that they did last year. This one has pretty good weight to it, and I just feel like it's a little bit more my style, and it's not as dainty as the newer one. Yeah, so it's just pretty much standard 18 karat yellow gold ring. It has the Cartier inscriptions. I don't know if it's gonna focus that good. Like that inside of the ring. Over here saying the size. Let's see what else it has. It says it has all the inscriptions, Cartier, sizing, the serial number. Super detailed ring. One of my favorite rings. It's a classic. Never gonna go out of style. This ring retails for I think it's 2,400. Could be mistaken, it could be a little bit higher. Yeah, so definitely recommend it if you guys are in the market for a sick yellow gold ring. This would probably be one of my favorites. So yeah guys, I just wanted to do a short little video on that, just showing the ring since everybody seems to always want to know about it. I got it in a size 60, what is this, 64 or 63? 64. So when I bought it to wear on my middle finger like that, but I've actually been wearing it on my pointer finger, and I've been wearing it with my watch, and I think it looks really cool, like that. I'll show you how it looks together. So yeah guys, hope you guys liked the little short review on my Juste Clou ring in yellow gold. Drop a comment, like, comment, subscribe as always, and stay tuned to the next video. Later guys, peace.